Hey y'all, what up? It's your girl B. Today I'm going to take you through the girls' wash day routine.
And make sure you stick around to the end because we've got a cute hairstyle you won't want to miss.
Say, girls with the curls.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us in our very first Girls with the Curls video on our new YouTube channel, Girls with the Curls. Today we're going to take you through our process of using Creme of Nature hair products to wash the girls' hair. I've got the 3 girls that I'm doing today. The baby is only 10 months, so I don't necessarily have to go through this process just yet, but I'm sure I will be very soon. So we start by removing the braids or whatever hairstyle you previously have in your children's hair. If you're struggling with it, go ahead and get the hair wet or even put product in it. You could use conditioner to start with even before you've used shampoo, just to make the slip a little bit better, to be able to get tight braids or whatever the hairstyle is. It just makes it a lot easier to be able to take it out. Using this specific brand, I just used a little bit of the shampoo because it has conditioner already in it, and that helped me get all the braids out. So, disclaimer here, read the bottle. The bottle will tell you everything you need to do. I get it. We don't always want to do that. That's why I am making it easy for all of us, and we're just going to go through the process here on this video. So this shampoo is Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, and it is really good for just the natural hair. It's creamy hydration co-wash. It's already got the conditioner in it. And once you put the shampoo in, it takes 3 to 5 minutes to work to get out all the dirt and grime, and then you can just go ahead and rinse it. The next step is conditioner. You can see my little auntie 3-year-old is not interested in laying down anymore. No big deal here. We'll just sit her up and she's going to help me get the product through. This product is really smooth on your hands. It's pretty thick, which is awesome for conditioner. And shoot, kids love this stuff. So let them go ahead and get messy. Teach them how to do their hair, what they need to do. That way, sooner rather than later, they'll be doing their hair on their own, and you don't have to spend hours upon hours throughout the day doing all your kids' hair, depending on how many you got. Alright, so I didn't show it, but I went ahead and I rinsed Kennedy's hair. I didn't rinse all of it, but I left some in just so it could keep working. I was going to wrap her head, but she's not interested in doing that. Again, no big deal. Let kids be kids. Alright, moving on to Kirsten. Rather than just pull out the rubber bands, it's just easier to snip them. So go ahead. These things are cheap. Buy the ones that come like 500 in a pack and use them as you go, snip them as you go to take them out. It will make it easier for you, and it creates less damage for the hair, and you have a happy kid because you're not yanking on their hair. So, Kirsten also had braids in her hair from the day before, or I should say the last few days before. I'm going to go ahead, put some shampoo in her hair. That makes it easier to get the braids out. There's already some tangles worked in there. I only wash the girls' hair once a week, and it's got a lot of buildup. So we're going to go in and scrub the scalp, make sure all of this dirt and grime, whatever the kids built up the last 6 days, 7 days, we're going to get that all out and have nice, fresh, clean hair. So the main thing with shampoo is you don't want to shampoo your actual hair. We're not looking to clean the hair, we're looking to clean the scalp. So you can see that I'm constantly scrubbing the scalp, and just let the rest of the shampoo wash out through the hair. Okay, time's up. So we go ahead and rinse 4 minutes later. I just did 3 to 5 minutes, so I just went with 4. Now we're on to the conditioner. So we're going to work from the ends on up to the roots. The ends of the hair are the oldest piece of your child's hair, or just anybody's hair in general, and they need the most love. They're always dried out. They are where all the tangles end up at. You get split ends, and this stuff is actually really good for split ends as well, I should mention. It helps restore and rebuild distressed curls. So that's what they got on the bottle, and it really does. It really helps bring these curls back to life. So right now I'm just finger detangling Kirsten's hair. You can go through it with a comb or a brush, whatever you choose. Finger detangling really helps. I can tell when I'm hitting a snag, when I need to slow down, when I need to be more gentle on the kid. One of the rough spots is really at the bottom of the head, and sometimes you just can't feel that with a brush or comb. So finger detangling takes all the question out. You can feel what's going on while you're doing it. So I let this sit in for 10-15 minutes, even though the bottle says 5 to 10, and left this little kiddo to relax, but something must have happened while I was gone. Obviously the Coke can's on the floor. I was just letting her know I will check the tape and see what you did while I was gone, so she got a little giggle out of it. Of course, she didn't know what tape was because back in the day we called it the tape, but okay, I'll let her know it's the video. Alright, I went ahead and rinsed Kirsten's hair out. We've got Catherine here entertaining, and yeah, this is my little one that I'm sure I'll be doing her curls sooner rather than later. And we're going to go ahead and wrap her hair. So you can take just a basic t-shirt, and I'll probably do a video on how to wrap it. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be notified for any new videos that we come out with. This is a little bit hard while she's upside down, one-handed, but we're making it happen. So she's all done. She's good to go. Peace out. Gorgeous. This is going to help lessen the frizz. So now it's Kendall's turn, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash the scalp. She has the tightest curls, so there's a lot of buildup and a lot of stuff going on under all that beautiful hair. I gave her a lollipop to keep her chill, even though she's my strong-willed little feisty girl and she likes to be hardcore. She also will let you know when you are tugging at a curl or a knot, and I don't want to deal with it, so I gave her a lollipop to try to keep down the chaos. So I'll put a link in the description below on this awesome little massager that I got. You can get them on Amazon. They've got different colors. It's really good to help with hair growth. And tip for parents, get your kids involved. Let them do this. I mean, if she wants to massage her head, that is awesome. I've got 3 other kids that I can go hang out with while she's doing some things. So by all means. And this girl, she loves to be independent. She is so independent. I love it, even though it's rough as I don't know what at times. But you know what? She's going to be an easy teenager because she's learned everything that she knows by herself by the age of 3. So, hey guys, just a quick alibi real quick. I wanted to let you know this video is in no way sponsored by Creme of Nature. I just wanted to share our personal experience with it. Oh my gosh, I dropped some conditioner. I am not wasting these products. This stuff costs money, and I'm just scooping it up and I'm putting it right back in her hair. I've already washed the sink, so no harm done. She's looking at me like, did you really just do that? Alright, so I've got the timer set
Alexa,
for 10 minutes. Enjoy
the
this
timer
little
for
music
10
show these
minutes.
girls got going on. It's so entertaining. By the way, sorry about the cold I have. My sister gave me 3 weeks to complete my first video, and of course I didn't make the deadline. What's new? So, new year, new day. It is January 1st today. I am going to get this video uploaded for you guys. I want you to see our experience here, and I want to hear your experience and what you do. Guys, don't judge my hairbrush here. All of our hairbrush look like that, and I think I've only used the hairbrush one time. But yeah, it's actually okay to find hair in your brush or combs, because I think we lose like 100 hairs a day, and if that is what comes out after a week of the girl's hair being tied up, then that's okay. It's just dead hair that fell out throughout the week, and I'm finally brushing it or detangling it, and that's where the buildup comes from. It's 100 hairs a day times 7, so of course you're going to have a lot of hair. It's nothing to be concerned about. Your child is not losing anything more than the average child might be falling out throughout the day when they've just got their hair down, and the curls themselves just keep hairs tied up. You might have a knot and hairs are tied up in there that have already fallen out, and you won't find that until you get back to the detangling process. So, doing some finger detangling, I've used the comb on Kendall, and now she's got a popsicle because this girl really doesn't like getting her hair done. So, whatever she needs to keep her happy and get the process done, we achieve that, and we are good to go. So, she's all smiles. I'm happy, she's happy, and she's looking gorgeous. So I leave the towel on for like 10 minutes, and the results are in. So this video is taken the next day. The girls just went ahead. It was getting late, so I put their hair in a ponytail and sent them off to bed. So now I am going to re-moisturize Kendall's dry hair. It can get really dry at nighttime, so this has nothing to do with the products. This is just Kendall's hair. She's my little helper. She likes doing it with me. She's putting in the Creme of Nature with argan oil mousse while I spray in the leave-in conditioner. And again, I will leave a description and a link to the products in the description section below. So I'm just going to do a half updo for Kendall. I'm going to use a really soft boar bristle styling brush to pull her hair back in a ponytail. To make the top of the hair smooth, just keep brushing it over and over again. Now I'm using the Creme of Nature with Argan Oil Perfect Edges. This is a gel, and it's going to help lay all of her flyaways flat. Guys, this stuff is really, really thick and gooey, so you don't need much. You can see she just put way too much in, so I'm trying to work it out. But it's really heavy duty, and it really does the job well. So I'm happy with the line of Creme of Nature Argan Oil. All the products, they have different uses. Again, make sure you read the bottle, the label. Doesn't she look cute? Double thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe so you'll hang around for our next videos.